Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open a Lloyds savings account. The first thing I want you to do is launch up the Lloyds app. Just scroll down here and just click on apply. Then what I want you to do is just go ahead and click here on open a savings account. From here you can select any of these accounts right here. You can click on find out more for Easy Saver or any other one. And then you can just click here on start today. Just choose any one you want. Let's do for Easy Saver. And then you just go ahead and look at these. Then you just go down and they'll ask you questions. So they'll ask you what account do you want your interest paid into. You can choose it whether it's this account or another account as well. Just click on open account now after you've chosen that. And then they'll go ahead and check your details. And as you can see, we have our new account. Get your sort code and your account number. And you can go ahead and see this on your homepage as well. As you can see, here we have it. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.